Hi guys, this is Miss Jess, the mad scientist from Peconic Library, and today we are going to attempt to make snow. I have Olaf here, he's my little assistant. Do you want to build a snowman? Okay, so I'm actually in the library today, so it's Science Fun at Home from the library. And what you're going to need, a bowl, some baking soda, shaving cream, a little bit of water, measuring cups, a fork, and then maybe we'll do some food coloring or glitter if we're feeling creative. Okay, so we're going to need a cup of baking soda. Now I don't think my cup measure is going to fit in here, so we're going to measure over the bowl. So always measure over something so that if you spill, it's not a big deal. Like you can measure over the sink perhaps. Okay, so, oh, this is much better than when I bake and I measure flour. I get that stuff all over the place. You should see my kitchen. There's like hand flour prints on the stove, on the counter, on the fridge handle. It's great. Okay, so 1 cup of baking soda into my beautiful little snow bowl here. Okay, and then it calls for 1 cup of shaving cream. Do I have to shake this? No, I'm gonna say. Okay. This is really weird looking shaving cream. How does it work? Usually, safety. All right, here we go. Whee! Now remember when you measure shaving cream that it does expand. Whoops, that might be too much, we'll see. In you go. Whee! You can use your little fork, kind of scoop it out. Remember, even though it looks yummy like whipped cream, we do not eat shaving cream. It is just for shaving or for science. Get out of there. Alright, so, mostly out of there. Got it. Okay, I'm going to take my fork, and I'm going to kind of mix it up a bit. Now the science behind this is the sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. When you mix it with shaving cream, which is actually an acidic compound, it creates something called endothermic reaction. And that should make our snow nice and cold, nice and realistic. Okay, I'm so tempted to just like dig my hands in here because the fork is just not doing it. But I'm going to avoid getting messy, at least for a little bit. So I'm kind of tipping the bowl, as you can see, to kind of get the baking soda and the shaving cream to kind of mix together. And the fork is good, I think, rather than the spoon, because you're kind of like mashing it and it's coming between the prongs. It's looking pretty good. Let's see. It also said to add a little drop of water, so let's try that. Just a little drop. Whoa! That was not a little drop of water, and also we should have had a paper towel because you know Miss Jess makes messes, but that's fine because Miss Jess also cleans up her messes. So I'm gonna touch this now and see if we've got an endothermic. Oh, it's cold. That's nice. All right, so let's get my snow out here. Oh, it's snowing. Oh, it's so nice. Okay, let's try and add some glitter. I should have probably added that when it was in the bowl, but once I start getting messy, there's no stopping me. Okay, I'm just gonna sprinkle some, this is just like a silverish kind of glitter. I'm gonna mix it in because sometimes snow has like that little shine to it when the light hits it. Ready? It's snowing. Okay, I'm gonna try and make a snowball. Don't throw it at anyone. Okay. All right. Oh, fantastic. That's fun. So I'm going to make a little bit more snow and then meet you back here and we're gonna make our snowman. Maybe wash my hands first, maybe not. And I'm back. So I doubled the recipe. I made 2 batches and then I made my little snowman. I have a little piece of felt for the scarf. I actually used a little bit of chalk for the nose and little pom-poms for the eyes, and then the mouth is a little piece of toothpick, and then I actually used a marker to kind of dab on the buttons, and those are popsicle sticks kind of torn for the arms. So you can do whatever you want with this. You can add color to your snow, you can add glitter, you can use crepe paper, chalk, buttons, like actual buttons, anything you want. And you can make your little snowman. So this was a kind of a science art project. We got to do a bit of both, so that's always super fun. So for me and my very special little snowman, have a great day. See you next time.